everybody, welcome back to my channel. So again I've come up with a fresh new vlog for you. So as you can see, the background seems to be very amazing. If you want veranda tour of my house, I will be doing it. Please comment down in the comment section. So in this video I will be doing a shopping haul. So this month I have done a lot of shopping, but that was quite necessary things which I have brought. So let's begin and let's not waste our time. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video of mine. And you can follow me on my Instagram page and my Facebook page. The link is given in the description box. Do check it out. So before starting my video, I want to show you the makeup which I have tried today. I am not a professional makeup artist, but I love to do makeup and I'm a makeup freak. So you can see I just done a very basic makeup. I can say not much and all. So that I try to do the eyes to be look very vibrant, and the color seems to be very it is a green eyeliner, but it's a matte, but it's not looking very shocking color type like that. But first one I will be starting with my shoes. So I brought these heels from the metros, and this one is it's having a specific reason because recently I took a part in a beauty pageant competition and I'm being on the grand finalist. So that's why we need shoes. So that's why I brought the shoes from Metro. This is very comfortable and a very good one, and the cost is around 1600 it was. But I obviously prefer to wear these kinds of heels because it's very comfortable and like I can walk for many hours in the ramp and all. So that I am a very much makeup freak, but I don't know much of makeup. Whatever I know only through YouTube and Instagram. So I bought this set from Miniso. Just few days before only I just went to Agropolis Mall. I was waiting for my friend to come, but it was late and I was like thinking what shall I do to kill the time. So I went to Miniso and bought this one, and this costs only 260. And you can see that we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 1. So each is having some specific hues. So first one is, it's very super soft. The bristles are very super soft. I can show you. This is very soft. I have used one eyeshadow brush. It's super like it blends so easily, and I just love it, and it's worth of two, and we're getting it at 260 is very cheap and very reasonable. So here comes my shorts which I bought from Myntra and from the brand Moda Rapido. And this is in this size 25, because generally for jeans I have 26, but in shorts I saw that this one is quite perfect one. It's comfortable and it fits properly, and for me getting jeans and shorts is a very big issue because size is one of the main problem. Somehow I feel the from the thighs it's not tight, from the length and also around, for buying one jeans it takes around a month to get, and the quality seems to be very amazing. It's cotton and it's super comfortable to wear in summer, you can see, and it's cost around 700. At discount I got just before the sale only I got this. It's a super comfortable during summer, and I just love this one. Comes another top, you can see. I love the color prints because that's why I took this. This is from the brand Nuon, and I got this size as small, but extra small if I got because it would be little tight fittings and all. So that's why I choose for small. And this costs around 1000, and it is another one very comfortable one and very soft. It's cotton type, and you can get this. It's another best one which I bought.
A few moments later.
So here comes my another top which I got from Myntra. It's like one-sided off-shoulder top. I was waiting for a long for this top to buy. So I suddenly bought this during the sale again, and it's white color and it's a cotton material. so that's why I took this one. And it's super comfortable if you wear, and you can style it with different ways, so you're gonna rock it and you're gonna look the best. And the price of this was maybe 5 to 600, because the exact price I don't know. And all the details which I brought from Myntra, Tata Click, and all the link will be given in the description box, so chill, you can buy from my link. It's not but the least, I have done my nail extension. Like Saturday 18th, I have my beauty pageant competition as a grand finale, and my nails was breaking a lot, so I thought that let's do a nail extension, because I've never have done this. And the color seems to be very nice, and it's a very nude color, and I don't feel like any uncomfortable on my fingers and all, so it's very much a great one. And I've done this from Biboni. You have lots of branches in Biboni, so, and it costs around 1200 plus GST. We have come into the end of our video. Hope you like my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to not miss a video of mine. So till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home, bye bye.